3, 2, 1.
Who created Starry Night? The answer is B. Vincent van Gogh. What was the surname of the detective in the series of movies which featured a Honolulu super sleuth and his sons? The answer is C. Cham. Which Roman emperor died of Antonine Plague? This plague was actually named after him. The answer is B. Marcus Aurelius. Which is the only UN member not allowed to be on the Security Council? The answer is C. Israel. Which art movement is characterized by simplified forms and bright, flat colors? The answer is D. Pop art. Which fruit is known as the king of fruits? The answer is D. Durian. What gas, discovered in 1774, gets its name from the Greek words for acid and forming? The answer is D. Oxygen. The second shell holds a maximum of how many electrons? The answer is B. 8. What works through chemical reactions that change the rock? The answer is D. Chemical weathering. What is the nickname of Ouachita Baptist University's athletic teams? The answer is D. Tigers. Isaac Asimov suffered from which of the following disorders? The answer is B. Fear of flying. Which author wrote The word for world is forest? The answer is C. Ursula K. Le Guin. What mineral is used to produce glass? The answer is C. Quartz. What changes an ecosystem? The answer is C. Extracting coal. The Nile is Africa's longest river. Which of these isn't a tributary of the Nile? The answer is D. Indus. What is the largest organ of the human body? The answer is B. Skin. Which of these items are often used for writing in school? The answer is B. Pencil. What is the study of human behavior and mental processes in social contexts known as? The answer is B. Social psychology. What type of structure between the esophagus and the stomach normally opens only when a bolus arrives? The answer is D. Sphincter. What were the two leading city-states of ancient Greece? The answer is C, Athens and Sparta. What is a drill used for? The answer is C, driving screws. Which member of Sesame Street had a lot of trouble saying Mr. Huber? The answer is B, Big Bird. What was the name of the riverboat in the Kern/Hammerstein musical, Showboat? The answer is D, Cotton Blossom. Which Greek goddess was known as the goddess of marriage, birth, and fertility? The answer is D, Hera. In the movie Goldfinger, which one of the following characters does not die? The answer is B, Pussy Galore. During grafting, the part of the plant that is grafted is called. The answer is C, sign. Which popular TV series is set in a fictional prison? The answer is B, Orange is the New Black. Who must be saved in the last quest in Chapter Roman 2, the 7 tombs of the computer game Diablo Roman 2? The answer is A, Tyrael. What sports team does Xander join in the second season of the Buffy series? The answer is C, the swim team. I'm a famous painting of a Mona Lisa, and the lady in it smiles mysteriously. Who painted me? The answer is D, Leonardo da Vinci. Which video sharing platform was founded by Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Jod Karim in 2005? The answer is B, YouTube. Electric circuits provide energy for light bulbs. Which of these prevents the flow of electrons? The answer is C, a circuit that is open. What has no legs, but always walks? The answer is B, shadow. When did new plants start sprouting after the forest fire? The answer is D, 2 months later. How many seconds are in an hour? The answer is C, 10,800. Which 1987 movie won the Best Picture award? The answer is A, The Last Emperor. Nucleic acids contain the information needed for cells to make what? The answer is C, proteins. Which animal lays eggs but is not a bird or reptile? The answer is B, duck-billed platypus. What is the name given to the warm, shallow water current that flows from the Gulf of Mexico towards Europe? The answer is A. Gulf Stream. What do Oscar Robertson, ex-NBA All-Star, and Roy Orbison, the great singer/songwriter, have in common? The answer is B. The same nickname. What is the term for a disturbance in matter that causes the transfer of energy from place to place? The answer is D. Mechanical wave. Where and when was the movie Scarface set? The answer is B. Florida in 1980. Which element is crucial for photosynthesis? The answer is C. Carbon. What dance is featured in the 1964 film Zorba the Greek, starring Anthony Quinn? The answer is D. Sirtaki. As a corn plant ages, its leaves grow. Which process is directly responsible for the growth of these leaves? The answer is A. The division of cells in the plant. Which piece of furniture has 6 legs? The answer is A. Table. Dietary proteins are broken down into amino acids during what process? The answer is C. Digestion. Which is the most recent volcano formed in the Western Hemisphere? The answer is C. Paricutin. Substances may be either elements or what? The answer is D. Pure compounds. Reflected in their relatively high level of intelligence and their ability to learn new behaviors, what organs tend to be relatively large in primates?